Hi, in this video we are going to see the new public notice from released by the University Grants Commission. So to all the higher education institutions, okay, to cancel the offline examination. So we will see regarding that one clearly. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Into the present content of the video. So it is official notice released by the University Grants Commissions on 6th May 2021 regarding to keep offline examinations in abeyance during May 2021. That means all the higher education institutions should not conduct any type of offline examinations in the month of May. Okay, so that is the meaning of that one. And coming to the body of this notice, as we are all aware that second wave of COVID-19 is being faced in several parts of the country. So during such times, ensuring safety and health of everyone is most important. And institutions across the country have already been taking the best possible measures in this direction. So keeping in view the current scenario of COVID-19, it is requested that all the higher education institutions may keep the offline examinations in abeyance during May 2021 to avoid the physical gathering at the campuses and also to provide much needed relief to the students, faculty as well as the staff who are presently occupied in fighting the COVID-19 in one way or other. So here University Grants Commission is requesting to all the higher education institutions not to conduct any type of offline examinations, okay, in the month of May to avoid the physical gathering at the campuses as well as the faculty and the staff also. So however, for conduct of online examinations, higher education institutions may decide suitably after assessing the local conditions and ensuring that they are prepared in all respects following advisories, guidelines, directions issued by the central or state government, Ministry of Education or UGC from time to time to prevent spread of COVID-19 and for the safety and health of all stakeholders. So online examinations means the candidates by sitting in their home, okay, writing the examination. Okay, here the meaning of the online examination is like that. So by looking at this notice, okay, I'm thinking that University Grants Commission is not prepared to conduct any type of physical gathering examinations in the month of May. So I think that UGC NET examination is also postponed. Actually, the December 2020 UGC NET exam has to be done from the May 2nd to 17th. Okay, so that was the previous schedule, and of course now these dates are postponed. So as per this notice, we may think that in the month of May there is no chance of conducting the December 2020 UGC NET examination. So I hope so. So whatever the things or whatever the resources you are having regarding the December 2020 cycle, if any information is there, then please put that information in the comment section, guys. Okay, fine. So it is a notice that I want to bring in front of you. So please share this notice to your friends or colleagues who are working in any higher education institutions or else to your students also. It will be very much helpful to them, and it will be the big relief that UGC taken the one decision that all the higher education institutions should not conduct any type of physical gathering examinations in the campus. Fine. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide